Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Workday trading tutorial for beginners. By the way, all you have to do is you have to go to any web browser and then type Workday, and this is the interface, and it's not easy to create an account here. You need to contact to their customer service agent, but don't worry, I'm going to tell you later how to reach them or how are you going to create an account. But first, I want to show you or tell you what is this Workday I'm talking about. So Workday is a cloud-based enterprise software platform that offers solutions for financial management, human capital management, and other business processes. It is designed to help businesses manage various aspects of their operations, including payroll, human resources, employee benefits, talent management, and financial planning. So, no need to hire tons of people. Workday can just simply do that all for you. Also, Workday is a particularly known for its user-friendly interface. So, if you're a beginner or not, it would be easy for you to use this. And flexible architecture, which allows businesses to adapt to changing needs without requiring extensive customization, unlike other platforms. The platform is widely used by companies of all sizes to streamline administrative tasks, improve decision making through data analytics, and increase efficiency in managing their workforce and financial operations. So, as you can see, it has different and tons of features such as products, industries, customers, learn, partners, and company. And if you want to know more, you just have to click and you will see functions. Okay, and key features of Workday include, like what I've mentioned earlier, human capital management. So it manages HR processes like recruitment, onboarding, payroll, and employee benefits. Number two, talking about financial management, tool for financial planning, reporting, accounting, and procurement. So it's all in here in Workday. Now I'm going to show you how to create your account. So all you have to do is to tap this contact sales, and you should enter your information here. You must enter the correct information such as your name, last name, your business email address, not just your email address, but business email address, your location, and other information needed there. Once done, then you will see this message. And all you have to do is to wait till they reach you and tell you that your account is available, now available, or ready to use. But meanwhile, you can explore to their features here so that it would be easier for you to use Workday while waiting for your account to be activated. So as you can see again, this Workday has tons of features that you can use even if you're a beginner or not. So Workday is often favored by businesses because it is built on a single code base, and meaning all users are always on the latest version of the software. So since I cannot let you show what's inside or the workflow of this because I'm still waiting for my account to be activated, I'm going to show you at least a few things to know on how to use Workday. Number one, accessing Workday. So again, if your account is activated, you can log in. Your organization will provide you with a login URL or access through your company's portal. You can use your username and password to sign in. Then you will have your dashboard. Once logged in, you will land on the Workday dashboard. This is where you can access different modules such as time tracking, payroll, personal information, and more. Number two, navigating Workday. So you have your home page. Inside the home page, you can do common tasks include pay, time, absence, benefits, and career. You can also go to the search bar and use the search bar at the top to quickly find any tool or function such as submit, time, update, contact info. So you can see there inside also the common employee task, such as the employee can update personal information, submit timesheets, request time off, view pay slips, benefits enrollment. Also, for managers and HR, they can manage teams. Managers can view employment profiles or employee profiles rather, hire and terminate employees, performance reviews. Also, you can see inside the reporting analytics such as view reports and dashboard. And of course, you can have your mobile access for your workday. So it would be a less work and effort for the team, or let's just say for the company, if you use Workday because everything is here, monitoring your employee, and also you can just simply hire or terminate, or you can update someone's information or something like that. And also talking about the advantage of using Workday unlike using other platform. Workday are significant for both employees and organizations, particularly due to its modern cloud-based design. Of course, for the company, it's important to have a unified platform. Workday combines human capital management, HCM, financial management, and other key business processes into one platform. Also, like what I mentioned, real-time data and analytics, scalability and flexibility, and user-friendly interface, which is one of the most important things when using a platform. It should be a user-friendly, or it has to be a user-friendly interface. Mobile access, continuous updates, enhanced security, global reach, automation of routine tasks, and employee self-service. Now, of course, we all know that it has a big advantage for the manager or for the HR. But as an employee, employees can manage their own data, such as updating contact information or accessing payslips, without needing to go through HR, which can save time for both the employees and, of course, the HR team. Okay, it's a win win situation. These advantages make Workday a robust choice for organizations looking to streamline processes, reduce costs, and improve the overall efficiency of of their HR, finance, and operational functions. So all you have to do here is you just have to wait for their customer service agent or team to respond and tell you if your Workday account is activated. So I don't know, maybe you just have to wait for a couple of hours, days, it depends. But all you have to do is to check your email time to time in order for you to know once your account has been activated. Now you can go to your workday and then you can log in and you can start managing, creating, and doing such tasks, of course, less task for your organization if you're the HR or if you're the manager. And also, if you're the employee, it's so easy to use this one. So that's it. So I hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.